Hello everyone, my name is Mohit and today we are going to discuss some good problem in mathematics. First of our problem is find the maximum value of 30 plus 9x minus 3x square between where x value should be between -1 and 4. Before discussing, first of all we just understand the problem. This is the problem based on the two functions. First is modulus function and second is polynomial. So first of all we discuss simply modulus function. What is modulus function? So we just simply define modulus function. What is it? Modulus function. Let's say f of x is a modulus function, then it is defined as f of x equals to x for all x greater than equals to 0 and minus x for all x less than 0. That means it is the function that gives output as x when the value inside modulus is positive. That means the modulus function is a function that gives output as a positive value for all value of x that is greater than equals to 0, and if x is less than 0 then modulus function just multiply the value by minus and gives it as a output. Or if value of x inside the modulus is negative, then we just multiply the value by minus sign and write it with negative sign. Okay. Let's have an example. F of x equals to modulus minus 5. So modulus function gives output as a minus 5 multiplied by minus. Here the value of x is less than 0, negative. That means the modulus multiply the value of x inside modulus by minus sign and gives it as a output, and that should be 5. Let's f of x equals to 3 under modulus. So it becomes 3 just because 3 is greater than equals to 0, means x is positive, and for all positive value of x modulus just give the output as input, means that value we enter in the modulus that will become output. Now we just simplify our problem. First of all we take a problem as f of x equals to polynomial p of x inside the modulus. So here p of x equals to 30 plus 9x minus 3x square. First of all we simplify the polynomial p of x. So we factorize the polynomial p of x. The method of factorization is splitting middle term. So we just so that there is a product of first and last term is minus 90x square. So we split the middle term such as their product. After splitting the terms we get a term their product is minus 90x square and their sum become 9x. So we just realize that minus 15 and 6 is the pair that make a sum. Yeah, their difference is 9 and their product is 90. So we just take a value as 30 plus 15x minus 6x minus 3x square, and we just take a 5 as common from first two term. So it is 5x, 5 common, then 6 plus 3x, and we just take minus 1 common from last two term, and it is minus x. It is 6 plus 3x. So there are two factors of this polynomial, 5 minus x and 6 plus 3x. Now zeros of polynomial are zeros of p of x 5 comma 5 comma minus 2. These are the zeros of polynomial. Now we discuss the graph of polynomial. Graph of polynomial px. Graph of px. We just see the sign of a is negative. If sign of a in polynomial px is negative, then we get a parabola open downward. That means it is a parabola open downward, and we just calculated the value of d. D is discriminant, and it is b square minus 4ac, and it is equals to b. B is what? B is 9. Then 9 square minus 4 into minus 3 into 30, and it is equals to 147 multiplied by 3. Now after that we realize that d is greater than equals to greater than 0. D is greater than 0. It means the polynomial p of x has two real and distinct root. Means it cuts the x-axis at two distinct points, and the roots are minus 2, 5, where it cuts the x-axis. Now we just find the vertices. Vertex, and that is minus d by 4a comma minus b upon 2a. These are the vertices. So what is d? We just define 147 multiplied by 3 and 4a. 4a what? 4 into minus 3. So minus d by 4a become 147 by 4, and minus b upon 2a becomes minus 3 upon 2a. That is the vertex of polynomial, vertex of parabola. That is the graph of polynomial p of x. Now we just try to solve the graph. That is the graph of polynomial p of x. Here first of root is minus 2 and it is the 5, and we just have to find the value of polynomial between minus 1 comma 4, and as we know the polynomial p of x is between the modulus function. So what modulus function do? Modulus function just take a negative of those value of polynomial are negative, that just become the positive about the x-axis. So graph becomes like this. And what is the maximum value? We just see the value of vertex minus d by 4a is 147 by 4 at x equals to 3 by 2, and that is between minus 1 and 4. So maximum value of polynomial p of x is maximum value of polynomial p of x is 147/4. And thank you guys.